Hi everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial on using Google Notebook LM. I will be guiding you through this exciting topic. Today, we will learn about what Notebook LM is, how to set up your environment, and how to use its feature effectively. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here is a quick overview of what we will cover in this tutorial. First, setting up the environment. Second, introduction to Google Notebook LM. Third, uploading and managing sources. 4. Using Notebook LM features. And the last one, creating content with Notebook LM. Sounds good? Alright, let's begin. First one is setting up the environment. We need to set up our environment. We will start by accessing Google Notebook LM. Make sure you have a Google account and are signed in. To access Google Notebook LM, go to notebooklm.google.com. If you have not used it before, you might need to sign up for access. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard where you can create and manage your notebooks. Let's create a new notebook by clicking on the Add Source button. Second one is Introduction to Google Notebook LM. Now that we have our environment set up, let's explore Google Notebook LM. Notebook LM is an AI-powered collaborator that helps you to do your best thinking by organizing and summarizing your documents. In the main dashboard, you will see options to upload various types of sources, such as Google Docs, PDFs, web URLs, and more. You can also ask questions about your sources and get answers with online stations. Let's start by uploading a few sources. Click on Add Source and choose the files or URLs you want to upload. Once uploaded, Notebook LM will analyze the content and provide summaries and insights. Third is uploading and managing sources. Let's dive deeper into uploading and managing sources. You can upload documents in various formats, including Google Docs, PDFs, and even YouTube URLs. To upload a source, click on Add Source and select the type of file or URL you want to upload. For example, let's upload a Google Doc. Select Google Doc and choose the document from your Google Drive. Once uploaded, Notebook LM will generate a summary of the document and display it in the center of the screen. You can also add notes and highlight key points within the document. Fourth is using Notebook LM features. Now, let's explore some of the powerful features of Notebook LM. One of the key features is the ability to ask questions about your sources and get answers with online stations. To ask a question, type your query in the text box at the bottom of the screen. For example, let's ask, what are the main points of this document? Notebook LM will provide an answer along with stations from the document. You can also use the Studio panel on the right to create various outputs based on your sources. For example, you can create an audio overview, an FAQs, a study guide, a table of content, a timeline, or a briefing document. Let's create a study guide. Click on Create Study Guide in the Studio panel and select the sources you want to include. Notebook LM will generate a study guide based on the content of your sources. And the last one is creating content with Notebook LM. Now that we have explored the feature, let's create some content with Notebook LM. We will start by generating a summary of our sources. To generate a summary, click on Create Summary in the Studio panel and select the sources you want to include. Notebook LM will provide a concise summary of the content. You can also create an audio overview. Click on Create Audio Overview and select the sources you want to include. Notebook LM will generate an audio file summarizing the content. Another useful feature is the ability to create a timeline. Click on Create Timeline and select the sources you want to include. Notebook LM will generate a timeline based on the event mentioned in your sources. Now, let's conclude. Today we covered setting up the environment using Google Notebook LM, uploading and managing sources, exploring features, and creating content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any question or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy note taking.